Sometimes in class, I ask you to raise your hand. That is here. There's a button with a hand. When you raise your hand, you can answer a question. So, when I ask you to raise your hand, just hit that button, and then your hand will be raised. And then I can call on you to answer a question. You can see here that your hand is raised. When you are finished talking, you can click the button again and your hand will go down. So the next time I say to you, raise your hand, you will want to click the button and raise your hand.